In this video, I'll be showing you how we can add recorded audio to Capcut. Okay, after you import your video to Capcut, tap Add Audio right here. And then you can click Sounds. Alright. And then you can click this button. Okay. And then click from Device. And then you can search the recorded audio that you want to add to your video, and you can click this button. Alright, and now the recorded audio has been already added to your video, and make sure that your audio is in MP3 format because CapCut can only process MP3 audio. If your audio format is not MP3, you can convert on the audio converter online. Okay guys, that's how we can add recorded audio, and thanks for watching.